So my dear friends, once again I will show you something free. So what is the free thing right now? I'll show you free stock market courses, absolutely free stock market courses, and all the courses are full-fledged courses. They are having their lectures and they are also having the questions and answers. They are full-fledged courses. The only thing is that they are absolutely free of cost. So you can get these kind of courses by just paying money. And here I will show you how to get these kind of paid courses absolutely free of cost. So no need to pay a single paisa to anyone. So I will show you more about two sites. I will show you two sites from where you can get these courses, and I will give you the full list of the courses and the links in the video description. So from there you can check these courses and you can start learning the stock market immediately. So dear friends, I'll take you to the two sites where you will get these courses. But before that, first, this is the time to subscribe to this channel. So now friends, first let me show you the first website where you will get many free courses. So here, this is the eLearn Markets website. I'll give you the link of all the courses that I'll show here. The first free course is Career Opportunities in Finance. You can see this is 100% free of cost. You can see already 10,934 students has enrolled in this course. You can use this course for 3 years, and this is self-paced recorded webinars. So you can click on enroll now and you can start learning this course. The next course is in Hindi. This is Share Bazarka Foundation Program. You can use this course for 3 years. Once again, this is a beginner's course. You can see already 16,411 students enrolled. You can see the instructor's name is Kaushal Mandalia. This is once again a self-paced recorded course, and you can click on enroll now and you can start learning this course. Next course is Saral Tarike Se Seekhe Share Trading. So this is also a Hindi course. You can see more than 4,500 students has enrolled. You can use this course for 1 year. The validity is 1 year. Once again, this is the self-paced recorded course. The instructor name is Amar Sharma. So don't worry friends, I'll give you links of all the courses in the video description. So from there you can directly enroll in these courses. The next free course is Common Sense Investing. The instructor is Shaket Ramakrishna. So you can once again use it for 3 years. Difficulty is beginners, and more than 5,000 students has enrolled. You can click on enroll now and you can start learning. The next course is very interesting. This is also a Hindi course. The Candlestick Visleshan Ki Mool Baatein. So you can see the name of the course is on candlestick, and you can see more than 16,000 students has enrolled. So this is a pretty popular course and you can study it for 3 years, and the instructor is Edward G. The next course you can see this is once again Basic Technical Analysis in Telegu. So for all the Telugu friends, you can start learning this course right now. You can see the instructor is Veer Pratihash Gudepu, and more than 2,425 students has enrolled. This is a beginner's course and the validity is 90 days. So any Telugu friends join in this course immediately. I will give you the link in the video description. So from there you can directly enroll in this course. Now guys, There will be another course on technical indicators. So this is also a free course, technical indicators learning module. So you can see there are more than 8,300 students has enrolled. So here guys, you can see the difficulty is not beginners, it is for intermediate students. And you can see the instructor is Credent Academy. So you can directly click on enroll now and you can start learning. And now another course, this is also on Hindi. So the name of the course is Stock Market के मूल नियम और अवधारणा. So here you can see more than 3,800 students has enrolled. You can study it for 1 year. The difficulty is beginners. This is once again self-paced recorded course and the instructor is Finnovations India. So you can directly click on enroll now and you can start learning. So all these courses are free of cost. So now I am going to the all free courses list. So I'll give you the link of these list also in the video description. So from there you can directly start learning these courses. So this is all about the free courses in eLearn markets. Now guys, I'll show you the next website for free courses and that will be Learn app. Now let us go to the Learn app website. Now friends, I am on a browser window and I have created a link for Learn app. So I am pasting the link over here. The link is bit.ly /learnapp1 LEARNAPP1. So you can remember this link, or if you cannot remember this link, don't worry, I'll give you the link in the video description. So from there you can directly click this link and you can go to Learn app. So I am going to this Learn app website from this link. So you can directly go to this Learn app website also. Here in the Learn app they will give you free trials also, but if you use my link you will get 3 days extra trial. So you can get all the free courses in these free trial. So you can watch these videos as long as you wish. So you can fully utilize these free trial section and you can watch all those videos in this trial option also. So there is no bars. Now as you will get 3 days extra from my link, so you can utilize these 3 days also. Now guys, let us check what are the courses in the Learn app. So here you can see there are the featured courses, there are intraday bank nifty straddle strategy, then balance sheet and cash flow strategy, then annual reports and profit and loss. So these are from various fields. If you are only interested for trading courses, click on the trading. So you can see all the trading courses over here. You can see the course Learn Technical Analysis, Intraday Bank Nifty Straddle Strategy, Basics of Trading, Bank Nifty Weekly Option Strategy, Learn how trend trading works, Nifty Hedged Short Strangle, and you can click on here to see all the courses. So these are the courses. Now there are the live classes. You can click on the live classes. So you can see all these classes are live. Suppose there is company analysis of Britannia that has been hosted live on 11 AM IST on 11th of October. There was strategy review for Bank Nifty weekly options. So as you have seen, there is a course for these strategy and they review time to time. So it has happened on 10th of October live. The other company analysis, Solora Active Pharma Sciences, then company analysis and global macro, strategy review for the Heiken-Ashi strategy. So there are other things like AMA money management during a pandemic. So these kind of live classes are there. So now there is a subscribe option. You can click on the subscribe option to see the plans. So here you can see the benefits of subscribing. You can access 100 plus live classes and 50 plus video courses. So there are fresh content added every month. So you can see there are the plans. You can choose the plans like quarterly plan. Quarterly plan is 1500 plus GST, and the yearly plan is 4,500 plus GST. So you can click on continue, or you can also see all the facts. Now friends, instead of directly subscribing, you can take a safe trial and you can access all the courses and the live classes free of cost for that trial period. And once again I am repeating, by default Learn app is having a 7 days free trial, but if you go there with my link, you will get 3 days extra trial to test all their courses and classes free of cost. So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can get absolutely free stock market courses from the eLearn Market website, as well as I have shown you how to use the Learn app website. And dear friends, I have provided you all the links of the courses in the video description. So please check the links and go to the courses directly. And dear friends, once again I will repeat that if you use my links in the Learn app website, you will get 3 days extra trial free of cost. So you can check all these courses absolutely free of cost, and if you have liked the courses, do not forget to make a thank you comment below this video. So my dear friends, I do come up with this kind of videos at least twice a week. So if you are not yet subscribed to me, do hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. Because friends, in that case you will be receiving my next video updates almost instantly. So dear friends, if you have any queries regarding these courses, or you want to know something more about the stock market, do not forget to ask me in the video comments. Because dear friends, commenting is the only way to communicate with you guys. I try to answer each and every comments, and if the comments are a bit elaborative, if it needs more elaboration, I try to make a separate video on that subject. So dear friends, like this video, share it with your friends and relatives, and till I come up with a new video, bye bye.